guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a SHEIN haul. If you're new here, my name is Oratilwe, but you can call me Ora. Please make sure to subscribe to join the family because I know for sure, ooh, the sun is really bright, but let's enjoy the moment, girl. I know for sure that you would want to stay, and I would love for you to stay. And yeah, if this is something you are interested in watching, please continue watching and I'll see you just now. We should start with the bag. I got two shoulder type of bags because I don't have any of these, and I'm kind of like, I gave some of them away. So the first one is this basic, really cute black one. I don't know how close I need to get for you to see. It's really cute. I've been using it already like for an entire week. I even have like purse, like so versatile. It goes with everything, every outfit, like every like hedge, simple outfit. I think it's really cute. It's just like practical. It's a practical but like cute bag. Like you can go out in public with this bag. I love it so much. Period. This one is like more unique. It's this. I just really love the color of this. It's so pretty. I don't even know if I should call this a brown or like, it's more of a reddish brown. And I just love this little knot over here. I just love that detail so much. And just like, it's just so unique. Like I don't think walk into a store and you like get like, it's not like your usual thing. Like it's really cute. You can like do a little like shoulder bag vibe, but I feel also it feels a bit bulky, so I rather like hold it like this, you know, or like this. But maybe like don't fit it too much, and I think you could be able to like hold it like, hello, excuse me, my name is Fashionista. I don't know what I just said. So those are the bags, and I think I will start with tops. I will start with this top that I'm wearing right now. I think that this was that part of the SHEIN Bay collection. I think that's what they call it. It comes out with a skirt and it's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the detailing and if I'm too close or too and it has like a bit of ruching on the side as well. Like it just makes like, it gives you that illusion of like a cinch waist. I don't have like those like typical small waist because I feel like I have a straight abdomen, but it gives you an illusion that you kind of like snatched, you know, like it gives you like that little thing. It has like extra material around the breast area that covers up. Obviously it's not like see-through, they can't see the things they're not supposed to see. It's skin tight. This is like in an XS. I'm more of an XS, and I feel like I did a good decision by getting this in XS, because I feel like if I got it in small, it wouldn't have given me this kind of effect that I feel like I have now. I'm still a bit skeptical about this skirt, which I will show you now. Okay, so this is the skirt that came out with it. Actually wearing it now, I'm kind of remembering it did actually sit okay. I think I was just a bit finicky about it. So this is the skirt that comes out with this top. They like co-ord. So it's just so cute and elegant and just so like minimalistic like type of vibe. It's perfect for like the summer spring vibe. If you're more of like a simple girl with like your cute little bag and maybe like your sandals, it could be platform little sandals, or like, I don't know, like kind of the idea, the vibe, and it's giving. It's just like, what you mean? All up here, like, you know what I mean? It's really cute together. Yeah, so they both XS, and yeah, best decision ever. So the next top is this really cute black top. I love this. It's like this asymmetrical black top. It would have looked better with an XS because this is a small, but this was the last one in small, and I had to make a hard decision. But it's better to buy something a bit big, right? Because you can make alterations if you need to. But I think it's okay. There's nothing really wrong with it, but I feel like if it was like more on my body, it would have made sense. It has like rouging right here at the top. Size as well. It's so beautiful. And I feel like this is more of like a minimalistic type of vibe as well. A lot of like the pieces that I chose are kind of like basic and like you can build on, right? But I love it so much, and I love this like feature, like this cross thing. It just creates like a vibe like you are put together, like you know your business, you're a fashionista, even though like this is the most basic outfit that you can like put together. And like maybe if you like had like a little shoulder bag, you can also get it with this one. Yeah, depending on the vibe. What's up? What's up? What's up? So this is the third thing. I lost count, but this is the next thing that I got. And yeah, on to the next one. The next item is this beautiful basic, I don't know what kind of blue it is, but like a type of a blue like basic tee. I'm obsessed with this top because I think you're very familiar. If you follow me on Instagram, I think you're very familiar with this top. And maybe like my last vlog that I did, I was wearing this top. When it arrived the next day, I wore this thing because it goes with everything. Your skirts, your basic skirts, your jeans. It even goes with this cute like chic skirt. Like, come on, you can't tell me. You cannot tell me anything. It goes with literally everything. This is in a size XS. Most of my top, except that one top, is XS. This is asymmetrical top is the only that I got in small. So everything else is in XS for like size reference, I guess, for you. It goes with everything. It's a basic, it's an essential. I feel like I should have gotten maybe a black and white one with it, but I'm really happy that I got this color because it's kind of unique. And it's like spring, summer, you're gonna bring like more color into your life, you know, type of vibe. So I'm really glad that I got this first to decide if I want anything in another color, right? I'm crazy like that. So if I like one thing, one basic item, I have to have them in all colors. So that's just how it is. Like, that's just how it is. I'm happy with my purchase. On to the next one. Okay, so this little top, obsessed. Can you see the little rose right here? No way, sickening. And the little draping over here. What do you mean? I feel like every top that I got goes with this skirt. I don't know, maybe it's just me. You tell me how you would style it. But obviously you can style with so many things. But for the purpose of this haul, I'm wearing it with the skirt. So no way. It's giving Mademoiselle. Bonjour. I don't know French, but it's giving French. But look at your girl. What do you mean? My window's like wide open, so there's like people like passing by in their staircases so they can see me. Absolutely obsessed with it. I think this is in the SHEIN Icon collection. So if you're looking for a little sassy, a little, it's actually not French. It's giving Spanish. Like Rosalina, you know, like it's giving that vibe for me. I love this little rose detail. I think it will elevate any outfit, like whether you're jeans or skirts, and it's just gonna bang. It's just really gonna like, it's gonna look so good with everything. Yeah, period. Okay, so this next little cute top, do I need to say more? Like, come on. Obviously, I don't think I would stand it with this because I feel like the white and the cream color, it's kind of clash in a way. I don't like that vibe, but like, shut up. And this slit, hey. I don't even know how to act. Like, what do you mean? This is so pretty. This, it's so basic. It's so like, it's so nice. Like, I love everything I bought. So like, what can I say? Period. And I didn't expect. The only thing is that I did not expect this ribbed material. I thought it was more of like this type of vibe. You know, like that type of vibe. But I'm not mad at it. It's okay. It gives a little detail and dimension to the top. But other than that, I really like it. It's so, so cute. Next, this next top. I love her. I don't know if this is like a bronze color. You tell me, please, if you know what this color is. It's like a brown, bronzy. I don't even know. But she's eating. This girl knows what she's doing. This girl is rude. Because what do you mean? Who gave you the permission to look this good? How can you tell me? Because I don't understand. Who gave you the permission to look this good? Love her lots. I don't even know what to say because I can't even stop like looking at myself in the mirror. This design over here complements this area. These shoulder things make your shoulders kind of look put together. Like, you know, like as if you have good posture. It's making you look like you have really good posture, and I really don't have good posture. So it's giving the illusion that I stand straight, mighty, and high. Speak to me nice. And the way it just cinched, it's not ruched, it's just the straight stitching. And normal stitching on the side. Absolutely beautiful. Every material, every shirt that I have is quite stretchy, so I think you should size down. Maybe if you like a medium, probably get a small, and if you like a small, get an XS. That's all I'm saying. But go with your gut and everything will be fine. And yeah, this is the girl, and this is what she's telling me. This is what she's telling you. She's fighting with us. This one is giving parental guidance, because what do you mean I have to cover my little breasties? I'm just saying. This is like the little detailing on it. I hope I'm not too close for you. And the hand little details. I don't know what I was going for with this, but I think I was trying something new. I'm just trying something, okay? It's not something that I would usually pick for myself. I would say it's a crop, because if you're wearing a top, can you see that? It's more of like a crop top. My little breast guy, little lady. Let's go to another one. And this one that I'm gonna show you broke my heart. So let me tell you a story about how I broke my own heart. It was not Shein's fault. It was my own fault. I get it. The US has different sizes because there's the world and then there's the US. So your girl, instead of getting a US 26 or 27, your girl got a US 30. Now this is how kinda it's supposed to look, this skirt right here. She eats. I had a vision for her. You get. Look what I'm doing. I had a vision for this pretty little lady. But let me show you her true form. She's giving, make me sweat, make me harder, mess up. No, mess up. Because what is this? Yo, Kanya. Mess up, man. Mess up. But do you know what? I'm not as heartbroken because like leaving it like that just makes me feel so weird. I'm not as heartbroken because it's better to get something very big than very small because you can do something about it. I'm not gonna ship it back to SHEIN. I don't have the money for that. I'm sorry. So the best option for this situation is to get it tailored. And we move with our lives. Okay, so this little piece right here, you know, she's a simple black long dress. You can dress her up, you can dress her down. Stunning. Clings to your body like you're gonna leave her. That's exactly how she feels. She clings to your body like you're going to leave her. Absolutely gorgeous. Simple, basic, but like a needed piece in your wardrobe. I believe so. No, like just a cute little, you go for like a chilled night out with your girls. It's giving that. I think I miss my friends, guys, but just hand me, okay? Like, or like a cute errand day at the mall, and then you get like a little something to eat after. This is kind of how it looks. It's like a sheer type of material, very stretchy. It is stretchy, like, but she keeps you there, you know. Absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this try on haul. Please let me know if you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this one for you, and let me know if I should do more of this. And yeah, have a wonderful Sunday. Love you all so much, and